Notifications help keep users engaged with an application or service or to inform them of significant events or activities. Notification on Twitter, whereas promotes conversation when someone comments on, retweets, or likes one of their tweets. Notify users when their following grows or when a person they follow uploads a new post. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to get a notification when someone posts on Twitter. First, open the application. Tap on the search bar at the bottom left. Then, search the account of the person that you want to get notifications from. Right beside the following icon, tap on the bell icon. Now select what you want to get notified on, like post, replies, or lives. Then just tap on the category. Now, you will be notified when they make a post. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.